Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed backup camera for 2015 Audi A6. That's where we locate the backup camera on the original spot. Trunk handle release that the camera is mounted to it.
The service center, we have the left lane block with a collision emergency.
So by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. By turning the steering wheel, the parking guideline turns to. Go back to park, screen change to the original mode. If you're interested to get these type of units, please give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.